You want to invest in a unit which is the key downtown location in the Kitchener area, where you are just next to the courthouse, just 5-minute walk and you get to the Google office or Manulife office. Within 10 minutes you can walk to hospital, GO station, and LRT is just right at your door. This is the project you want to invest in. I'm super excited to introduce you to Young Condos in the core downtown Kitchener area. It's a beautiful 27-floor building, comes with a lot of amenities just like running tracks at the rooftop of your building. Very few buildings in Canada has it. Okay, and the prices are amazing. Pricing are starting from $370,000 for 1-bedroom unit. Yes, no studio. 1-bedroom unit for $370,000. Amazing units, and we have special discounts even with the 2-bedroom units. Comes with the parking, and pricing is low 500, and you are also getting 10,000 discount right away, right now when you purchase with me. Give me a call at 647-532-3000.